Hello, hello, blessed morning, blessed Friday morning to each and everyone. Friends in white team, big love shout out to my team, Team Zumbi, to our beloved chairman, Sir Meryl Ventura, Sir Jasmine, our creative guys, all officers and members of Team Zumbi and all friends. Please welcome back to my channel, guys. Watch my video. Stay connected, guys. Thank you, thank you. Kanta tayo ulit. Pang premiere, guys, premiere. Love just ain't enough. Now I don't wanna lose you, I don't wanna use you, just to have somebody by my side. And I don't wanna hate you, I don't wanna take you, but I don't wanna be the one to cry. And that don't really matter to anyone anymore. But like a fool, I keep losing my place, and I keep seeing you walk through that door. But there's a danger in loving somebody too much, and it's sad when you know it's your heart you can trust. There's a reason why people don't stay where they are. Baby, sometimes love just ain't enough. Now I could never change you, I don't wanna blame you. Baby, you don't have to take the fall. Yes, I may have hurt you, but I did not desert you. Maybe I just wanna have it all. It makes us sound like thunder, it makes me feel like rain. And like a fool who will never see the truth, I keep thinking something's gonna change. But there's a danger in loving somebody too much, and it's sad when you know it's your heart you can trust. There's a reason why people don't stay where they are. Maybe sometimes love just ain't enough, and there's no way home when it's late at night and you're all alone. Are there things that you wanted to say? And do you feel me beside you in your bed? There beside you where I used to lay. Let's stay, guys. Make love siya na. Friends, brigada nga nga. Make love shout out. And there's a danger in loving somebody too much, and it's sad when you know it's your heart they can touch. There's a reason why people don't stay where they are. Maybe sometimes love just ain't enough. Maybe sometimes love just ain't enough. More please, this is day. Ito na, guys. Some hearts are diamonds. Some hearts are diamonds. Some hearts are stone, guys. Some hearts are diamonds. Open your heart to all of those years. Baby, you look through a rainbow of tears. You watch your dreams all fading away. This time you're right. Oh, you make my day, years me come, years me go, but I still love you and I want you to know. Some hearts are diamonds, some hearts are stone. Some days you're tired of being alone. Some hearts are diamonds, some hearts are stone. It takes two lovers to be as one. Oh yeah. Make a love shout out. Some hearts are diamonds, some hearts are stone. But my heart is diamond. Gold. Illusions of love, they'll come and they'll go. Trust in your heart, maybe your love will grow. Your silent tears, they full of pride. Baby, you know that you can run hard. You need love like I do. I hope you want me like I want you. Some hearts are diamonds, some hearts are stone. Some days you're tired of being alone. Some hearts are diamonds, some hearts are stone. It takes two lovers to be as one. Some hearts are mammoth. Very soft. Some hearts are diamonds, some hearts are strong. Some hearts are diamonds, some heart is strong. Some days you're tired of being alone. Some hearts are diamonds. More please. Please stay. Last song guys, last. Please stay. Count on you. Let me count on you. Yeah. Para sa inyong lahat, thank you for watching, friends in YT. Count on you. I count all of you. When I feel the words get mad and I need you so bad, but I don't know where you are. I cry these tears. On our own, we've been so far. We've sworn not to mourn, and we've counted a million stars. my love still true. Friends have come and gone, some have left me alone, but I started at this world before, and dreaming me blue. All alone in my heart I know there's one thing in my life that still rings true. I can count on you, count on you to be there. No questions in the air, no asking why or where, no looking back. Count on you every time to ease my worried mind. You'll forever be important to me, my miracle find. If I had to choose one place to spend the rest of my days, anywhere will do, long as it's close to you. Big love shout out all friends in YT. Thank you for watching. Please stay connected mga friends. God bless sa ating lahat. God bless sa ating mga kaibigan. Very supportive friends. Thank you sa pag-support sa ating channel, sa Team Sundi. Maraming salamat guys. Count on you to be there, no questions in the air, no asking why or where, no looking back. Count you on every time to ease my worried mind. You'll forever be important to me, my miracle find. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. God bless. Bye-bye. Di na kasya guys.